What up? Welcome back, guys, to another video. So guess what? I have some good news. I have an update with the fairing. I got super lucky. So I'm gonna show you something. So this is the stock little bikini fairing that the lowrider S comes with, right? I totally forgot that the bottom of this one also comes with two rubber grommets that are the same ones that the new one uses. So I got lucky there. So the two that I lost, I found in this one here in the garage. So very good. Now I want to show you guys something, because I know a lot of people were telling me, oh, you had it on the wrong way, you had it on the wrong way. I didn't have it on the wrong way. When I did the video, right when I was uploading it, yes, I did put it in the wrong way. But then after I did that video, it was twice that I had taken off the fairing. And then the second time, obviously the second time when I took it off, I actually inserted everything properly the way it was supposed to be this way, right? So basically what I did the first time in the video was that I didn't snake it in through the hole, right? So you see the grommet there? You're supposed to just stick it in there, and obviously it's like this, right? So this piece right there, this little gap, should be bridging off into right there, right? So you stuff it through the hole and then it'll catch up there, right? That's what I did though. That's what I did, and it still came off. So we're gonna give it a second shot now. Guys, there's plenty of people that this is happening to. That is the reason why Harley Davidson now is selling these extra little pieces, that some little lock mechanisms that you buy that are supposed to secure it in the back. I also saw in Dirty Dixies that they have the clips as well, because it's an ongoing thing. So if it wasn't an ongoing thing, then these clips that are being made now would not be getting made, obviously, right? So it is an issue. So for those of you who are just saying, oh, you had it on the wrong way, blah 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 blah, shut your mouth. It was on correctly, okay? So I already inserted the bottom one there, as you can see. So you have 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna film now the proper way to insert it. It is a little hassle. All right, so this is the last one, which is gonna go right into there, right? And then I'm just gonna kind of just shove this in. I'm using this random little piece that I have from the from my plate holder, the original plate holder. So I'm just kind of just smear it in there, because it's very tough to get in there. But as soon as you get one side, just go around there and everything just pops into place. And there you go. Now it's all in. Let's just get the fairing now. Let's put it on. So I'm really happy that I'm able to put the fairing back on. I still feel the same way that I was feeling yesterday. But at least I could ride now. At least I have my motorcycle, I have my fairing on there now, and I could ride, and I don't gotta worry about my bike looking kind of crazy. My little boo-boo. Here's the thing. This is another reason why I don't like this fairing right now, and I'm really not happy with it because of this. You guys obviously saw how easy it was for me to just insert the fairing in. It's the same way to take it off. So that's one of the reasons why I'm not such a big fan of it anymore. It's because it's very easy to steal. It's easy to steal. Anyone could just come up to this, pop it out, and they go, and then all they gotta buy now is the bracket, which sucks. So I am gonna be looking into the safety clips. Hopefully that prevents it. But I'm super happy it's back on. She looks beautiful. That was my little update from yesterday's video. And that's it. If you're new to my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload any type of content. Give this video a big thumbs up, guys. It's gonna help me out with the YouTube algorithm. And like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride. Peace.